Hello, so I've got a solder iron to plastic solder my scooter panels which are broken tabs and stuff. Is it worth buying a cheap solder iron off eBay that looks like this? So it's a 60-watt adjustable temp soldering iron kit, electronics, welder, solder. The plan is to work our magic on our scooter panels. You get it in a box. I've taken out the packaging. This is what it looks like, and everything just falls apart. Okay, so there is a solder iron. I'm assuming that screws onto here somewhere. Yeah. Okay, what's that? Okay. Get a pack. There's the box. Feels lightweight. It's fused. What fuse is it? 220 watts and 60 watts. Okay, so is that going to go in there somehow, and that's going to go on top of the thing? Okay, yeah, so it should have been like so, possibly, and then that goes on top to hold it into place. So we'll do a video using this for plastic welding. So that's in now, so we can work on the panels. We've got a few extra attachments here, you can see, and the spring to hold it in, I'm assuming. But yeah, we'll figure that out as we get through it. So are eBay solder irons good? That's what they are like. So possibly, yeah, you can get away with it. Should do the job.